Extruder Unit Replacement Guide for the A2L. Safety warning. Before beginning, it is crucial to power off the printer and disconnect it from the power source. Step 1. Remove the hot end and TH board. Hold the lower part of the toolhead front cover, making sure to avoid the hot end cooling fan area, and lift upward to remove it. Hold both sides of the silicone sock by the high temperature marking, and pull down and diagonally forward to remove it. If the filament has not been cut, press the filament cutter lever on the right side to cut it now. Unlock the hot end locking tab and remove the hot end. Remove the toolhead rear cover. Use your hand or tweezers to hook into the groove at the bottom of the cover, then lift upward. Use an H1.5 Allen key to remove the 4 screws, then lift upward to unplug the cable. Remove the board connectors. Hold the plug base with your hand and lift vertically away from the PCB to unlock them. Do not apply horizontal force. Remove the TH board. Use the H1.5 Allen key to unscrew the 3 screws. Pull the board outward slightly, then unplug the FPC cables. Now, carefully turn the board over and disconnect the final connector located on the back. Step 2. Remove the toolhead filament hub. Using an H2.0 Allen key, unscrew the 2 screws securing the toolhead filament hub. Then, pull it vertically upward and place it on the toolhead bracket. Step 3. Remove the extruder. Using an H2.0 Allen key, unscrew the 4 screws securing the extruder. Then, pull the old extruder forward to remove it. Installing the extruder unit. Step 1. Install the extruder. Before pushing the extruder in, ensure that the cables on both sides of the toolhead are properly secured inside the cable management grooves. Push the extruder into the toolhead bracket. Then, use an H2.0 Allen key to secure the 4 screws. Step 2. Install the toolhead filament hub. Insert the toolhead filament hub into the extruder. Then, use an H2.0 Allen key to secure the 2 screws. Step 3. Install the TH board and hot end. Align the TH board with the micarta sheet and insert the plug on the back. Then press down firmly to ensure a secure connection. Ensure the connector is fully seated. Flip the board and insert the load haul board and extruder motor FPC cables. Ensure the metal contacts of the FPC cable face the board, then secure the locking tab. Organize the cables on both sides. Push the board into the bracket and secure it with the 3 screws. Make sure no cables are pinched beneath the board. Reconnect the remaining cables in order. Align the plug with the socket and press firmly until seated. Ensure the connector is fully seated. Install the toolhead cable. Insert the cable into the toolhead and secure the 4 screws using your H1.5 Allen key. Install the rear cover. Align the locking tabs on the top first, then close the cover. Press the lower left and right edges to ensure they are locked properly. Then, carefully install the hot end onto the hot end heating assembly. Follow the on-screen guide carefully when securing the locking tab. Install the silicone sock onto the hot end from the bottom up. Install the toolhead front cover. Align the locking tab at the top of the toolhead front cover with the interface on the toolhead body. Then gently press down until you hear an audible click. For more guides, tips, and troubleshooting help, visit the Bambu Lab Wiki at wiki.bambulab.com.